Hi. Welcome to Math Den, a series of math topics tutorials. This covers algebra, geometry, trigonometry, probability, statistics, calculus, and business mathematics. Today's topic is the definition of function and examples. What is a function? The previous topic, about relation, is important and prerequisite to function. Because a function is a special type of relation. In other words, not all relations are functions. Only those that satisfy the definition of function. Here is the definition of function. A function is a relation where one value of the independent variable is related to only one value of the dependent variable. It only means that one value of x corresponds to only one value of y. For example, y is equal to 2x. We know that this is a relation. But how to determine if it is a function or not? What we need to do is to substitute some values of x to get some values of y, and then determine if each value of x corresponds to only one value of y. Let's substitute 0, 1, 2, and 3 to x. Then compute for their y values. If x is 0, then y is equal to 2 times 0. Therefore, y is equal to 0. If x is 1, then y is equal to 2 times 1. Therefore, y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 2 times 2, therefore, y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 3, y will be equal to 2 times 3, therefore, y is equal to 6. As you can see, each value of x corresponds to only one value of y. 0 to 0, 1 to 2, 2 to 4 and 3 to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 2x represents a function. Another example. Determine if y squared is equal to 1 minus x squared. Represents a function or not. Again, let's substitute some values of x. For instance, x is equal to 0, and x is equal to 1. Get the values of y. Then determine if each value of x corresponds to only one value of y. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to positive 1 and negative 1. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 0. As you can see, although 1 corresponds to 0 only, the value of 0 corresponds to two values of y, positive 1 and negative 1. Therefore, y squared equals to 1 minus x squared does not represent a function. Function is also defined as a set of ordered pairs, such that no two pairs have the same values of x, but different values of y. It only means that, in a set of ordered pairs, there should be no repeated values of x. It is fine to have repeated values of y. It is still a function. But, if there is repeated values of x, then it is not a function anymore. For example, which of the following set of ordered pairs represent a function? Set F and set H represent functions because there is no repeated values of x, while set G does not represent a function because there is repeated values of x. X equals 1 and x equals 2 are both repeated in set G. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell For more video tutorials,